G'day guys, Darcy, Ninja and Aaron here. Welcome to MMT's channel. Before you watch this video, make sure you like and subscribe. That's what we've been told to say. But this is our first episode of GLUTE of the Weeks. This is a series that we're going to run, not for very long, but yeah, we thought we'd show everyone a different glute, a different way of treating a glute, and then yeah, have a bit of a chat with the person on the table. So we've first got Darcy here. Darcy's glute.
Get into me glute, Az. It's a bit sore, so I'm
going to
looking forward to it. Warm me up, mate.
Ninja's going to have a bit of a yarn to him, isn't he?
Let's go.
Yeah. Anyway, so just warming him up here. Bit of broad stroke. Seeing what's going on underneath this layer of skin, Darcy. You can probably tell me a little bit, as well.
Haven't had too much of a treatment in a while. We've been doing some live workouts of the morning, so there's definitely some residual tension in there. Oh, yeah.
Bit of a gooby in there, mate.
There's going to be some goobies.
Yeah, sure is.
They haven't been like overly tight, but it's always good just to get a treatment, isn't it? So
that's it. Oh. That's it. Ninja, what have we been up to, brother? What's been happening around the traps?
I suppose the creation of a new course.
That's it.
The build component of our business, the exercise. So building up people from the ground up, pretty much, through the feet upwards, but also the real fundamental exercises that we encourage people to do, building up their core and just body awareness of posture and different things like that. So all the way through to full-on performance, peak performance exercise. So
that's coming soon, isn't it? We're launching in the next 3 weeks.
Yeah,
or something. So it's exciting for us.
Yeah, it's a really holistic course. It's sort of got a lot of self-treatment stuff in there as well, and lots of other health tips. And we've been saying in it as well. We're not thinking of short-term instant gratification with health. It's sort of long-term fulfillment. So creating the habit of exercising regularly, but training with intention as well. So having a purpose for what you're doing and progression and periodization and all those kind of principles, being specific about what you're doing, and you know, just that intention. That's the really important stuff we want to get across, and also have a bit of community support with a group. We're not sure what platform that's going to be on, but group support that you can kind of tap into and connect in with other people that are going through the same phase of the course that you can be going through
and you get to have us as a bit of a support network too, eh?
Yeah.
Contact with us, and yeah, we're really excited to bring this to everyone.
what about the survey? We sent the survey out. What's the go with that?
So we just put out a survey because, as Jay said in the actual video for the survey, we wanted to collate some data just to make sure the product that we're giving you is as effective as possible. So we want to know from you guys about what you're struggling with at the moment with your training and with maybe pain that you may be feeling, just so we can, like I said, deliver a really effective product. So if you could fill out that survey, we might link it in the description below. Yeah. That would be fantastic. Anyway, I've warmed him up a little bit here, Ninj. Do you want to come in there and have a bit of a
bloody good.
Yep.
How you feeling, Darcy?
Oh, it's unreal. As I said earlier, I haven't had a treatment in a while. It's just nice to get somebody touching me.
How's that angle, Leo? You can pick up everything. Yeah. So I'm just going to try and hit into this tendon here and just
hook in
a bit harder. Like that, up in there. And give it a little bit of curry. Say hello to it, and seems like that's a good spot to start.
Yeah. So connecting in that already, Ninja, I can feel referral pain down the hamstring into the like the heel of into my heel of my foot.
Yeah. So straight in. Just pin the spots and just change angles a little bit, just so we can kind of hit that hole. Knot that's in there, that tightened up, solidified tissue, and work it out. So we want to melt it. We don't want to damage the tissue, create more trauma. That's why we go super slow.
That's good.
And get permission to get in here and work it. So that's the nature of deep work. It is an art. It's not all about strength. You got to read the tissue and give it what it needs at that particular point in time.
Oh. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I feel like it's therapeutic pain, man, but it's
Giving
tight,
you
yeah.
a bit. You
Yeah, it's tight.
didn't realise how much
Yeah,
curry was in there.
there's plenty of curry.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we've got excavator warming up over here. Like, what do you? What's going on? Have you got any ideas where you want to work, man? You want to?
Yeah, I
me
can
to-
tag in if you need a rest.
I can go in here and up, or
Oh,
you're going to do that bit.
Do you want to go in there?
Yeah, Ninja, let Ninja go with that.
Yeah.
I reckon,
I'll get up around the...
yeah, you can go
Oh.
straight in the guts, I reckon, Jace.
Yeah.
So in here.
Nice trace of the greater trachea in there, Ninja.
Yep.
Trace him.
That bone.
That bone. What is it? Your hip
Your
bone?
leg bone.
That's
Yeah.
Big leg bone.
Big leg bone.
Oh, that's me big thick leg bone.
Yeah. Try and get in there. Sinking in. And then I want to try and shift it out away from where it's stuck.
Oh, she's stuck.
So I'm just going to lean back a little and just let it work out. Free him right up.
Speaking of courses, Ninja, we've got another one in the pipeline too, don't we?
Yeah, so you can learn how to do what we do. Get all our little secrets. A lot more so than what you get from watching this content on YouTube. So
It's the course that Ninja's been teaching for 20 years. We're bringing
Yeah.
it to the online
Life.
space. Yeah, it's an online course, so.
yeah.
Who's it
Stay
for?
tuned.
Who's it for, you reckon?
So yeah, I suppose first of all be practitioners. So anybody out there that wants to get better at their hands-on work, physical therapy, but also anybody can have it. Like people that are from home that just want to learn how to treat family and friends, or even have a bit more knowledge in how to treat yourself and more anatomy and physiology knowledge, and the movement knowledge. So it's all going to be in there a little bit. So
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
there we go. All right, I might
Giving away your tips and secrets, Ninja.
yeah, give them all away. You can be just like us.
Yeah.
Be effective.
Oh.
I suppose that's the main thing.
Excavator's getting towed in.
Yeah, he has to go in, he's got it. All
Get
right.
on the wall.
Oh,
Yeah,
Any
guys,
wax?
sending
Here's
him.
the wax.
Lube me up, Jason.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
dry.
yeah.
Nothing too dry.
Donald's
Just a little.
eating it.
Donald!
Off with his head. There he
Just-
goes.
What are you gonna do?
We're just going to
Jason?
hit these attachments since Ninja got the other ones.
Oh.
So,
Oh.
so we're angling across that way.
Oh, there's your thumbnail.
Oh, there's your bloody.
He's arching up.
Oh, shit balls.
We're not going that hard yet. We're
Oh.
still just warming into it. So we've just hit the good point.
Oh, yep. Oh.
And yeah, as the receiver, it's in the right spot.
Yeah, it's great.
Do you reckon you're a John Deere, Jason, or a Kubota? What would you be? What kind of taste are you?
Oh, probably the John Deere, the
The
top
John
of the
Deere,
range,
yeah.
Oh. Far out. Oh.
Yeah, we're just staying connected with the pain or the tension, wherever you're feeling it. Just little wiggles to make sure we get the right spot.
Yeah.
Look at the angle here, the side plate.
Look at that. He's strong.
Stay there for Leo to come and
Work
catch
on your
that.
posture as a therapist. This is what you'll learn in the course. Ninja's tips of the trade, all about posture and how to be effective. So,
Don't give away the secret sauce.
no, we won't give away it yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
But that's how we've all
That's
learnt. We wouldn't be here without Ninja's guidance. So,
Oh.
yeah, learn from the master. Coming soon. Boom. Big ad. So yeah, just staying connected the whole time. I haven't lifted up.
That's really good there, Jason.
Yeah.
Just, a bit broader on that. Oh, yeah, like that. That's really nice. Oh. I feel that melting on your elbow a bit. Oh, yeah, that's heavy.
Quick changes.
Look at this Darcy says, oh, that feels really good. It's just like.
I didn't actually
I know.
change. I did not change. He doesn't believe me though. What do you reckon, Ninja? Here,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
looking alright.
Yeah.
We'll have to get the man behind the camera. He's the man with the best treatment in the world, you reckon? So,
He's just given the highest praise.
Lower back
highest
money
praise.
spot, Leo.
the best money spot Ninja's ever had.
Oh.
Aaron and I got cut down pretty quick, so
Sent
pretty
Jason,
gutted.
Darcy and I to the bloody tip that Ninja did.
Been practicing it for how long, guys? 7 years, 6 years, you know?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh!
There we
It's
go.
no surprise though. Leo's bloody. You wouldn't say
Oh.
jack of all trades. Or what's the
I'd say
saying?
he's jack of all trades. He's
But he's the master of all trades. He's not the.
he's not the jack, is he? He's
He's master.
Well, what's the saying? Jack of all trades, master of none, or something like that. Leo's just master of all trades. Far out, Jace.
That's bloody intense.
Sink out. We might throw back over to Az. I'll give him another long.
Oh, really?
Not ready for that one.
Yeah, right. Come in here, man.
Yeah,
Let's get in here and
what?
fucking really rip him to
Oh! Oh!
shreds. Anyway,
You
no, we
bastard.
won't. That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed. First episode of GLUTE of the week. This was an idea that we had. Over the last month we thought about launching something like this, so hopefully you liked it. Anyway, we'll see you next week.
See you guys.
Keep goosebumps on that.
Oh! There we go.